For me, a Grundfos customized service contract is peace of mind for a fixed fee. As a facility manager, I always want to know if anything is at risk of stopping my production or running down my equipment faster than expected. With a Grundfos customized service contract, I can get exactly the services I need to make sure that my equipment is in top condition at all times. It's all planned ahead and comes at a fixed fee, allowing me to plan my maintenance work and costs. And if any issues are detected during one of the planned activities, it is either fixed as part of my contract, or if the necessary work goes beyond my contract, I get a separate quotation. Get peace of mind for a fixed fee. Get a Grundfos Customized Service Agreement.